Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about market sectors and how they frame our trading. Are we trending up? Are we trending down? Or are we mean reverting? Is it a rotational day? Now, the sector bots, there's a hell of a lot that goes on behind the scenes, but what they do is that's effectively fast. They're fast and they assimilate the information really quick to give us a summary as to what's going on in the markets. So what am I looking for? And this is obviously what we have on the screen share, and all our traders have access to this. So if we're all grey and we're neutral across all sectors, we're looking for a mean reversion day, i.e. we're going to be shorting from the tops, we're going to be shorting, buying from the lows, right? We're going to be using that in conjunction, for instance, with the range detection bot. Now, if we are trending like we were yesterday, and I'm going to bring a chart across just to show you it, tech went into buy, and tech went into buy at 10:37. You can see the notification there. So did the Dow, right? The Dow went into buy, and the Dow popped up, obviously for, I think it was about 500 points off the top of my head. So literally, the Dow, if you're getting 3 out of 4 sectors, i.e. healthcare, consumer staples, finance, then you're going to get a potentially really good trending down the Dow. Right, in this instance, we had 2 of those sectors that affect the Dow, and we had a sector that affects the NASDAQ, which is tech. So literally, we had a really good day on tech. Right, we had a good pop on tech, and I just want to just basically bring across a chart. I'm just going to bring this chart across, right, and just basically just keep with that. And so you can see it, but literally what I wanted just to show you here is what did the Dow do yesterday, and what time did it do yesterday. You can see that it literally just trended up. Well, we got notification that we were trending up at about 10 to on consumer discretionary, right, which is about there. So you've got about half the trade there, and you can see there you've got literally quite a few swings, right. So literally there's an old saying with trend trading, yeah, and that is this: you've got all day to get into a trend trade, right? So when you think you've missed the boat, you not necessarily have missed the boat. So obviously it depends on how fast these alert. Now the tech sector alerted pretty quickly, right? And sometimes these alert a lot quicker than what they have done. But as an example, just on the NAS, I'm just going to bring that chart up for yesterday. So where are we? NQ there. Right, and just bring it to a Renko chart, just so it's just a little bit easier to see. And you can see there, what did we have on yesterday? Well, yesterday's the 19th, and literally, I'm just going to bring it back to the open. So you got the open there around there, 9:30. We had a lot of shenanigans here, and then we just popped up to the sky, so to speak. Well, at 9:49 is when are we? Oh, sorry, 10:37. Is when we actually saw this in buy mode. So basically, let's just mark that out. I'm just going to go onto the anchor and just literally anchor it to that exact time, so we know when it is. Right, and literally we went into buy mode then. So literally, what did that give us from that point? From the buy mode sector from there, and that's not taking into account anything else, i.e. levels, other bots. You got 230 points, right? So 15 hours of moving up. So these sector bots are really powerful, and I just wanted to show you them in action. So taken right from the live trading charts. So I'm just going to move that one back. Hope you found this video really useful. As to finding out what we've done, and obviously I do thank you again for coming to the London Trade Show, and obviously I did promise that I was going to expand out on what I said on my presentation and go a little bit more of in a deep dive into each one of these bots and exactly how they actually help us. Okie doke, I will see you on the next video.